Hi, this is one of my favorite songs. It's by BadCompany. It's called Seagull. So, Paul Rogers, if you're out there, eat your heart out.